Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so many times we drive around the country. Well, in almost every video you watch, you see the state of the roads, the potholes. So we always say who is responsible, who should be held accountable for these roads. So today we're going to look at who or which government agency is in charge of which roads. Now, when you think of the roads in Jamaica, the agency that comes to mind first is the NWA, or the National Works Agency. Now, NWA is responsible for some of the roads in Jamaica. The parish council is responsible for some roads in Jamaica. And the Ministry of Agriculture is responsible for some roads in Jamaica. So let's look at who is responsible for what. Okay, so the National Works Agency is directly responsible for Jamaica's main road network. Those are the main roads. And that consists of 5,000 kilometers of Class A, B, and C roads. Now, this part is a bit shocking or surprising to me. The main road network that the NWA is responsible for is only 19% of the total road surface available in Jamaica. So I always thought the NWA, well, I know there was a difference between the NWA and the parish council. I didn't know about the Ministry of Agriculture. But I'm surprised that NWA is only responsible for 19% of the roads in Jamaica. And of those main roads, 90% are paved. Now, the NWA is also responsible for 736 bridges that are on the main roads in Jamaica. So that was very surprising. Now, though there are parochial roads which make up 14,000, call it 15,000 kilometers. Then you have farm roads that make up about 1,500 kilometers, and community roads that make up 4,000 kilometers. Now, the NWA is not responsible for the parochial roads, the farm roads, or the community roads. Okay, so the parochial roads are the responsibility of the local authorities, which is the parish council. The farm roads are the responsibility of the Ministry of Agriculture through the Rural Agriculture Development Agency, RADA. And the parochial roads and the community and farm roads make up 81% of the roads in Jamaica. Okay, so the farm roads now. The farm roads would fall under the Ministry of Agriculture. And the Ministry of Agriculture has an agency called RADA, which is a Rural Agriculture Development Agency. And they are the ones who are in charge of the farm roads. They will decide which farm roads are to get fixed. Now, it wasn't always, the farm roads weren't always fixed through RADA. I think recently it was decided to make the Ministry of Agriculture, or RADA, decide which roads are to be fixed, and RADA has the officers that can go out and inspect the roads to make sure that it is farm roads that are being fixed. There was some issue about roads were being fixed under the farm. They were being fixed as farm roads, but they weren't actually farm roads. So that's why it was decided to allow RADA to administer that. Now, recently, we're in June, last month in May, it was announced that $670 million would be allocated for farm road repair. And the Ministry of Agriculture said that won't be enough to fix the roads, but it's a start, and they'll approach the Ministry of Finance and Public Service to get more funds over time. Now, the NWA, they are the ones that fix the main roads. Now, they fall under the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. They used to be under the Ministry of Transport, but that was changed recently as well, and they've now fall under the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. Now, the parochial roads fall under the Parish Council, and that would fall under the Ministry of Local Government. Now, each parish has its own parish council, so they would decide which roads would be fixed, and they usually get funding through the collection of property tax. Now, the KSAC, the Portmore Municipality, and the KSAC will take care of Kingston and St. Andrew. The Portmore Municipality would take care of Portmore, but say St. Catherine now, outside of Portmore, would fall under the St. Catherine Parish Council and the Clarendon Parish Council. So, when you ask the question, who is responsible for fixing these roads? It all depends on what kind of road it is and where the road is. So let's say it's a parochial road. It also depends on which parish you're in. If it's a main road, if it's a farm road. So if you notice, there are three different ministries: Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Local Government, and Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. Three different ministries that are responsible for the fixing of the roads. So at least now we know who is responsible for what. Alright guys, remember to leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think of this system. And I was actually surprised in doing this research to find out that I always thought the NWA was in charge of most of the roads in Jamaica, but it's not. It's the parish councils. So leave your comments in the section below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.